I'm Amit Prashant. I'm professor in civil engineering here at IIT Gandhinagar. I joined here about 7 years back, and from the beginning itself, I was quite excited about a new field, clean slate, where we can experiment with education in various ways. And a lot of thinking has gone into what education should be in an institute or a university like IIT Gandhinagar. However, it has been always difficult task with big universities and changing the whole system of thinking, which was not an issue here with a growing institute from a small size population of students and faculty to over the 7 years it has grown to a larger size. And when I started my career here, the first task that was assigned to me was to look into what undergraduate curriculum should be. And later we also worked on how postgraduate education can be redefined at the institute. Now all these aspects had one key element when we were defining the curriculum is 360-degree learning. And the focus was on learning rather than defining the content as per se in conventional curriculums that you find. And in this process, one important aspect that we had to keep in mind that it has to be student-centric and not just based on what we want to define as degree. So, in a way that provides flexibility to the student to choose their own path and define their own career for future 10 years down the road, what they want to be. And that decision making has to come from the beginning itself, and it is required by the student because it's more responsibility on them to choose their path with the flexibility that it provides. Now, to have that, you can say, decision-making capacity, first thing you needed is the student should be able to think independent of the conditioning they had before coming here. And we start that with a foundation program where the student actually explores themselves and try to see what their natural instinct is, and also try to see where they can perform better instead of just going through a routine same curriculum that is designed for everybody kind of thing. So that flexibility is now possible to experience by proper decision making from the first year of BTech to fourth year of the program or later in the PG program. So this whole exercise, as I was walking through this, I realized that actually it's not a very easy thing as it seems to give this kind of design, and a lot of consultation that has helped me as a person to grow in my thinking how the education should be in totality instead of how I was thinking before doing this exercise. So I loved this whole experience of working on that, and then later as a Dean Academic I was implementing a lot of those ideas, and that whole exercise has helped me mature myself as well as I've been thoroughly enjoying that, and I will keep enjoying staying here with this new wave or new thinking that has evolved over time.